Welcome back. In this section, I'm going to show you how to add indicators on your chart. Yes, there are a lot of people out there who use indicators and are very successful. And there are some of us who prefer just to read what price action is telling us. Whichever way you choose, make sure it's gonna work for your strategy and make sure you progress properly. So how then do you get to insert indicators, right? So there's a whole lot of indicators. When you come to insert, then you go to indicators. There's a whole lot of indicators that are available on the MT5 platform. There's trend indicators where you get to see a lot of indicators like moving average, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku, the parabolic, the standard deviations, the index dynamic average. Then you've got oscillators like average true range, the MACD, the moving average oscillator, the RSI, relative strength index, the triple exponential average. Then you've got volumes where you get accumulation and distribution, money flow index, volume. Then you've got Bill Williams, you've got the alligators, the hour sum oscillators, the fractals, and then you've got custom indicators where you get to see the bulls indicators, the color bars, the envelopes, the Ichimoku clouds, MACDs, the momentum. So it all comes down to you as a person, like which indicator are you familiar with and which indicator works well with your strategy. Like for instance, let's insert an RSI indicator, the relative strength indicator, which is one of the most popular indicators used by traders. So we come to oscillators, then we scroll down, then we select RSI. You see you can change the color. If you want black, you can choose whichever color you want. If you want red, you choose whichever color you want. Then you come to levels. This is where you define the levels. You can always change these values, right? But now I'm just gonna insert by the default parameters. Then we click OK. You can see now we've got our indicator inserted at the bottom line, the bottom tab. Now let me insert a moving average indicator. Moving average, you find it under trend. Go to moving average. We're gonna insert the default moving average of 10, right? Then I'm gonna change its color. I'm gonna give it a black color. Then I'm gonna make the line thicker. Then click OK. You can see we have our moving average inserted on the chart. So this is for those people who uses indicators, and for the new people in trading who would like to try indicators, that's how you insert. But you must know which indicator you want to use. You see, you must know how to use that indicator. Like moving, maybe probably you're gonna have like 2 moving averages. Already we have inserted the 10 moving average. Let's insert a 21 moving average. Just hypothetical. We give it a blue color. You see, so you've got a 21 blue moving average. Then you've got 10 black moving average. So for instance, you'll be saying when the lines cross, the black crossing over the blue to the upside, it's your entry to the upside. You see, you're taking long positions. Or when the black overlaps the blue moving to the downside, you are taking a short position. So that's how you add indicators on your chart. And once you're done and you'll be like, no, I don't need these indicators on my chart anymore, just right click on the chart, go to template, then choose default. Then you're back to your default template. You see, that was quick and precise to the point, and you don't spend much time in changing again the color codes of your indicators and all that. So in the next class, we're going to be talking about the Fibonacci tool, and I'll show you how to edit and change the values on the Fibonacci tool, and I'll give you a brief intro on how to use the Fibonacci tool. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.